Zakat is an obligation given to every Muslim. For you, it's cleansing your wealth. For them, it's everything. People are suffering all around the world, and your Zakat can change them. There are thousands of poor and needy people in Afghanistan that they face lack of food and some have nothing to eat. Most of needy people have only one-time meal out of 3 times, and some spend days with empty stomach. If you feed someone, this is like rescuing someone's life, and the reward of it is like saving the lives of whole world. This Ramadan, donate your Zakat to Ehsas Welfare and Social Services Organization.